welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share some living room decorating ideas, and we've recently made some improvements in our living room, which you guys just saw the before and the now. So I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks I love to use whenever I'm decorating. I'm going to show you guys how I decorate these shelves we newly added to our living room.
Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
And this right here is the before, guys. Like, if you watch my clean with me videos, you guys are not new to this living room. This was the before, and for some reason we didn't like how the before was. We've always said we wanted to add some shelves. So as you all can see, we brought in our contractors. We showed them samples of what we want, and they got to work. Like, they started working, like this took, I think, about a week, and this is exactly how it looks after everything was done. You guys, as you can see, we have some lights in the shelves. For some reason, this just uplifted the whole living room. We also made few changes, like we changed the curtains. They added some recessed lighting on the ceiling for more lights. Like, this living room used to be so dark, so all these things just added a lot more light to it. We also changed the chandelier, the rugs. We just gave the living room a new makeover. Okay, so I'm just in my happy state today, so I had to say hi. All right, you guys, so first thing first, I'm gonna go in with my ladder, because like, your girl is 5'9", but these shelves be so tall. So first thing I decided to do was to go ahead and wipe, because there was a lot of shaving. There was a lot of they were able, like, when they were putting the lights, there were a lot of I guess that's what it's called, shaving. So I had a lot of dust particles sitting on those shelves. So I knew I had to go ahead and just clean out everything, and then vacuumed my floor, even though I didn't show that because this is more on like the decorating side. All right, so as you all can see, I have some decorative books right here. These 3 books are $3, guys. I went down to my local Dollar Tree. I just picked up some of their books there. And when I'm decorating, guys, I always love this idea of having like 3 different dimensions to your decoration. So as you all can see, the first decorative book, I made it to stand up. So I stood it up, and then I put 2 on the floor, like on the shelf, as kind of a background, and then I added these 2. The other one is, I think, a flower vase, and then a decorative piece. And then by the side, I absolutely love this heart decorative piece. So I decided to add it on the other shelf. And then coming down to these shelves, guys, we have our engagement pictures. This picture was taken, I believe, 13 years ago. It's crazy, guys. So I decided to add that picture there. And then on this shelf right here, I picked up this book, what is it called again? Book holder. It's not book holder, there is a special name they call it. I picked those up from Home Goods, and I decided to put bookends. I picked the bookends up from Home Goods, and then I decided to put the books right here. And I just love the way this looks. Like, it just gave it the perfect dimension, and just what I was looking for. All right, so for the bigger shelf, when we were designing this shelf, I knew exactly what I wanted in there, and it was kind of a flower vase and a flower. So I went down to my Home Goods, and I picked up these 2 flower vases, and also kind of I don't even know what they call this type of flower, but it's a very beautiful flower. So moving on to the right side of the shelf, I decided to add this this is also, I believe, a flower vase or a decorative piece. I just saw it from home. I believe this one was from Home Sense. These 2 were from Home Sense. I saw them, I loved them, so I knew they were going to be perfect for here. So I decided to pick them up. And then on this side, I have our family of 5 photographs. We took this picture when we went for ACSM, I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks photo shoot. So then on the last shelf, I decided to add this picture, and then I picked this up from Home Goods. I really loved it. It says home is where mom is. I really loved it, so I picked that up from Home Goods. And then I also, on this shelf, I decided to do that 3-dimensional decor. I absolutely love it, so I added that thing that looks like kind of a bookcase. I added the picture frame, and then I added this decorative piece, and I just love how the shelves look. It doesn't look too overdone. Like, it looked just the way I envisioned it. Like, it looked exactly how I wanted it to look. So of course I'm going to move down to the rest of the living room. I decided to wipe, because oh my gosh, like I told you guys, there were a lot of cutting, a lot of shaving in that living room, so there was practically a lot of dust all over the place. So I already cleaned the couch. I already vacuumed the rug. So now I'm simply just cleaning my coffee table, my console table, just to get rid of all the dust from them.
You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact.
Alright, so for my couch, I'm going to be adding some decorative pillows. These pillows I picked up from Amazon. I actually love buying pillow covers, because I have different sizes of pillow fillings. So I just get the covers, and yeah, all these pillow covers are from Amazon. And of course, you guys know I always link everything you guys can see in my videos in my description box. If you want to shop my couch, if you want to shop anything you can see in my videos, you guys, they are always in my description box. I always list everything there. So for my couch, I decided to go with kind of a dull gold and also a very bright gold pillow covers. So I added those, and then I picked up this I think 16 by 16 decorative pillow from Home Goods, and then I added it to the couch. All right, then on this side of my living room, which is my console table area, I decided to add this flower vase, and also this what is it called, these decorative boxes. I just love the look decorative boxes give to any space. So I didn't want to do too much on my console table, so I just added the flower vase and also the decorative boxes. All right, so for my coffee table, I'm just gonna do a little decor, guys. I didn't want to do too much for my coffee table, so all I did was to add this gorgeous tray. I picked up decorative tray I picked up from Home Goods. I just love how this tray looks, guys. And of course I decided to add a flower vase. You guys, like, if you know me well, I absolutely love gold. Like, I'm the gold lady. I love anything gold. So I decided to add a gold flower vase. I think this flower vase I picked it up from Home Sense, and I just love how the gold just complements the gold pillow covers. It complements the gold tray. Everything just goes so well. And I also love to mix metals a lot. So like, I love to mix my gold, I love to mix my whites, I love to mix my silver, my chrome, just make everything balanced. I don't like it when everything is just the same shade of color. So as you all can see, I went ahead and fixed up the flowers in the flower vase. And then over here, I'm just going to add my decorative books. This Tom Ford, I absolutely love it because it's black, like it's a neutral color, so it goes with any and every decor. So I'm just going to put that there. And also in the tray, I decided to add some decorative books, and on these decorative books I decided to add a candle. And then I also decided to add this what is it called, these accent eyeglasses, these decorative eyeglasses. I absolutely love it. And then on top of my Tom Ford, I decided to add this horse, because the horse kind of complements the color on the white color on the Tom Ford decorative book, and also my candle. So it just made everything look cohesive. That is one, like, whenever I'm doing, like, for me, me, right, whenever I'm decorating, I always love to have everything like cohesive. I just love to balance everything out so that way they will all look uniformed and they will all look pleasing to the eye. All right, so I think the last thing I decided to add to the living room was this gorgeous lanterns. I picked this up, I believe from at home. Yeah, at home, at home, and I absolutely love it. And for some reason, it just matches, like it looks so good by the side of the shelf, like by my TV area. So I decided to place that there, and you see what I'm talking about? Like I added some chrome, I added some gold, it just made everything like cohesive and balanced. And then the last thing I decided to add was my throw pillow. And yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. Please guys, don't forget to hit that like button below. Like, you guys, please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, because it really helps us. And of course, the last and final thing I decided to do was to go ahead and just spray my my throw blankets. I decided to spray the living room, and everywhere was just smelling so nice. Yep, you guys, till my next video. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.